Okay, this is one end of the cable, this is the other end of the cable. So we're gonna talk about our straight through connection first thing. So first thing to remember is 1, 2, 3, and 6. So those are the cable that you need to connect to get a straight through cable. So you have 1 connects to 1. So 1 on this end connects to 1 on the other end, which is white green connect to white green. Then 2 to 2. And 3 to 3. And then 6 to 6. That's for your straight through cable, right there. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 6. That's the only thing you have to remember when you're doing a connection. First straight through. Same thing as the 568B. You also do a 1, 2, 3, and 6. Those are the connection that you will connect on both ends to get a straight through cable. Okay, if we're doing a crossover cable, a crossover connection, you still use the same numbers, 1, 2, 3, 6. Those are your connection. But here's the trick. You split that in half. Draw a line right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 6. Same numbers. Now you connect 1 to 3 and then 2 to 6. That's it for your crossover cable. So 1 connect to 3. 1 connect to 3. And then 2 connects to 6. 2 connect to 6. That's for your crossover cable. Same numbers as a straight through. The only difference is the straight through goes straight across, and then the other one just connects to different numbers. Alright, so now, and this is for your 10. This is for your 10 base T. That's 5 right there. That's for your 10 base T, 100 base T connection. So you only need a 1, 2, 3, 6. If we're talking about a gigabit connection, a gigabyte, then you need more wires connected. So you already used 1, you already used 2, you already used 3. Now we're gonna use 4 and 5. 4, so the 4 is gonna connect to the other side, is gonna connect to 7. And then 5 is gonna connect to 8. And then on this side, 4 is gonna connect to 7, 5 is gonna connect to 8. So that's if we're talking about a base T right here. Can't spell. T. There we go. So that's a gigabit connection. You need all the wires connected, and then for 100 base T and a 10 base T, you only need the 1, 2, 3, and 6. But it's easy. The key part is the 1, 2, 3, and 6, and then you know that you already use 1, 2, 3. So the only one that you haven't used is 4, 5, 7, and 8. So you just connect them. 4 connect to the other side, 7, and then 5 connect 8. You do this for the same thing with the 568B connection. Same thing. You just make those connections just like you did over here. Okay, so I hope this helped. Thanks.